So it was bought, the second one new?
It was second one new in Portland.
Do you know where the dealership was
It
about?
was somewhere,
But it was Portland.
my dad knows that. Where was the dealership?
I think it was downtown Portland.
In downtown on the west side, maybe?
Yep.
Okay. You don't know the name, though. The record's out there somewhere.
Yeah.
But it's a 39 Mercury. The second one sold, so it was sold in 1938.
Yep.
Wow. That is so cool. And this was bought by whom?
My great-grandparents bought it for my grandparents for their wedding.
Oh my gosh, that is so cool. That's, you know, that car over there was bought by her parents when she was 18. That car there, that Honda, and I bought it from the nephew, and then they bought it from me.
Nice.
I love family car stories. So this is a 39 Mercury two-door cab. They call it a two-door convertible.
Yep.
That was called a two-door convertible.
It was with the Mercury.
Sure.
Nice lock, Johnny.
And you guys are all family members.
No, I'm friends.
Your friend. Well, that counts. This is so awesome. This is like unbelievable.
Current owner has been a life standing.
So you folks are the current owners. I've met you before. You have another car out here before too? No?
We did come out here just to look.
I might have met you when you were looking, because I've been here many times. That's my Porsche over there, and I just sold that car to those folks a couple weeks ago. And I've had different cars out here, but I'm from Longview, so I got a little midget in Longview. I don't bring it down this way. It's a 62. This is awesome. I had a 40 Chevy 4-door Master Deluxe 4-door sedan in Kelso. A family bought a brand new one just like mine, and I was at a car show, and we were both next to each other, and they still in the same family. It's a 40 Chevy Master Deluxe 4-door sedan.
Isn't that something?
I do. This
Nothing
is
fancy,
well.
there's compartments back here.
Oh yeah.
There's compartments like
Wow,
right
look at
under
that.
here. Hey, Dad, come here.
How long ago was this restoration done?
See, they have like compartments.
We got it
There's just like
3 weeks ago.
rags.
Oh, 3 weeks ago.
It has 117 miles on it.
On the
Johnny, stop.
who did the restoration?
Steve's Restoration.
Where are they at?
They're in Gresham.
Wow. I would say they did a fantastic job. What about you? Oh, there we go.
You could have that.
Really?
I got a whole bunch.
Oh my goodness, thank you. I will take that with me.
That tells you who did the upholstery.
Yeah.
And may not stress.
I'm a history guy. I will find out where this was made or where it was bought. I will let you know. Yeah, is your number on here?
Do it. I emailed them. They never.
No,
Do you need the VIN on
I
it?
thought,
the VIN. Yeah. Is it on here?
I don't know if the VIN's
what
on it.
is?
Chassis number.
Chassis number?
But I'll find out. No, I'll find out. I research everything.
Wonderful.
It's amazing what you can find out. This is so cool. So Steve's Restoration in Gresham.
Yeah, and Dave LaRue.
Dave LaRue.
Did the interior.
Where's he at?
He's
Say,
down at
Albany?
yeah, south of Eugene.
Yeah.
Look at that motor. Oh my gosh. What did this look like before? Do you have pictures? Can you? Oh, awesome. Oh, you gonna start it? Yeah, that'd be awesome. Can he start it? I got. Hey, hey, Kyle. He's gonna start the car.
Johnny.
He's gonna start it.
This way. Listen.
They just got this back three weeks ago.
February 13th.
Friday the 13th.
Oh my God. This was just returned to them on Friday the 13th. This.
Yeah.
Look at it's been in the family since new. This is so cool. at that. Oh my gosh. That's so. Oh no, he's fine. I love him in the picture. It's good. This is so cool. I mean, this is stunning.
Oh my God.
Look at
Oh
that.
my God.
So this is a flathead V8.
No.
It's not a flathead. Oh, it is. It was a flathead V8. So what's
Is it
this?
a 54?
302.
302.
It's I think 53 Merc covers.
Right. So it's a 302, which is what? Is that an FE? What year? What era is that from?
I don't know.
302.
It's
Yeah.
a brand new motor.
Right. Okay.
But
Got it. So it had a flathead in it. This is a 302, and it was a crate motor or something.
yeah.
Okay.
What a beautiful car. Is this a 53 or 54?
39. Oh yeah, it's the first year. It's the second. It's the second Mercury sold in Portland, and this is the first year for Mercury. And you got some pictures what it looked like before. What?
Yeah.
Look at you. You got it on your deal.
Yeah.
Let me see. If we go around, can I grab it from you?
Yes,
Let me
absolutely.
do that. I'm gonna do it without. Then I've got my.
416.
Oh wow. Look at that. You know what? I'm gonna get them from you a different way.
Okay.
But yeah, let me give that back to you. I'll get them from you a different way because that is so cool. I love it.